This is the luxurious, all-electric Genesis GV60. If equipped, the GV60's Smart Posture Car system is designed to automatically detect and provide an optimized seating position for the driver. This system can help provide a healthy posture position for the driver's back and sets the steering wheel, side view mirrors, and head-up display positions according to the driver's body measurements. To start, ensure that the GV60 is on and the gear is in park. Select Setup, Vehicle Settings, Seat, Smart Posture Care, then enter driver's information. Enter the driver's information for height, sitting height, and weight. Select Posture Analysis to analyze the current seating position. If the current position is not optimal, select Adjust Posture, and Smart Posture Care will adjust the driver's seat, steering wheel, side view mirrors, and head-up display to the optimal positions. The newly adjusted seating position can be saved under Driver 1 or Driver 2 by pressing and holding the corresponding memory button on the driver's door armrest. For more information on your Genesis, be sure to explore the how-to guides on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult mygenesis.com and your owner's manual.